Good morning, fam. The day is fresh, and so are you. In just 5 minutes, we'll awaken every muscle, energize your body, and melt away any stiffness lingering from the night. This routine is your invitation to feel grounded, light, and ready to take on anything. Let's jump in and stretch out the possibilities for today. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin by releasing tension where we hold it the most. The neck. A simple yet powerful way to set the tone for flexibility and focus. Stand tall or sit comfortably. Lower your chin to your chest, creating length along the back of your neck. Slowly roll your head to the right, letting your ear dip toward your shoulder. And continue the circle back and around to the left. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction, keeping the motion smooth and intentional. This movement releases built-up tension in your neck and shoulders, improves blood flow, and sets the stage for clarity and relaxation. If you're starting out, keep the rolls shallow if your neck feels tight. And if you need more of a challenge, deepen the stretch slightly, pausing gently at areas of tightness. Lift your head back to center, feeling light already. Let's take this newfound ease into the dynamic stretch for the whole body. Time to waken up your hamstrings and spine with a movement that feels like brushing off yesterday's stiffness. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Inhale, exhale as you fold forward from the hips, letting your arms dangle toward your toes. Begin sweeping your hands from side to side, lightly grazing your toes or the floor. Mixed stretch lengthens your hamstrings, loosens the lower back, and invites flexibility into your entire posterior chain. Keep a slight bend in your knees and sweep higher if reaching the floor is difficult. Deepen the forward fold, keeping your legs straighter, and your sweep slower if you need more of a challenge. Roll back up slowly, one vertebra at a time, ready to open your hips and ground your energy. Let's ground ourselves while creating space in the hips, your foundation for movement and stability. Take a seat and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees drop open like butterfly wings. Hold your ankles or feet, sitting tall through your spine. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently lean forward, feeling the stretch deepen in your inner thighs and hips. This stretch improves hip flexibility, releases tension from sitting, and helps you feel grounded and stable. If you're a beginner, try sitting on a folded towel for extra support and keep your lean gentle. If you need more of a challenge, press your elbows slightly into your knees to deepen the stretch. Bring your knees back together slowly, feeling grounded and connected as we flow into the next movement. Now, awaken your spine with a smoothing wave that connects flexibility and flow. Move on to all fours, aligning your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and gaze upward for cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and tailbone for cat pose. Flow between these movements, letting your breath guide the rhythm. This stretch is going to enhance spinal mobility, relieve stiffness, and connect your core to your movement for balance and strength. Keep the movements gentle and your range of motion smaller. Deepen the arch and round for a more intense spinal release. Take one final wave through your spine, feeling aligned and ready to end with a dynamic flow that opens the heart. We'll finish with a fluid movement that opens your chest and grounds your back. Perfect for ending on a note of lightness and clarity. Start in child's pose. Sit back on your heels with your arms extending forward, forehead resting on the mat. Inhale as you glide forward into a chest lift. Lower your hips slightly and press your palms down as you lift your chest toward the sky. Exhale as you glide back into child's pose. This movement opens your chest, stretches your back, and releases tightness in the shoulders, leaving you feeling light and expansive. If you're a beginner, keep the transition slow and controlled, reducing the depth of the chest lift. If you're advancing and need more of a challenge, deepen the stretch in both positions, allowing your body to explore its full range of motion. Take one final glide, feeling your body fully open and energized, ready to take on the day. Beautifully done, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched, energized, and grounded your body from head to toe. If this routine lifted you up, hit that subscribe button and grab your free customizable fitness program from the link below. Let's keep moving, stay flexible, and take on the day with power and confidence. See you in the next session. Let's go.